Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy curly bun updo step by step. To start, I've curled the hair, but this doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear on both sides, and then just clip these sections out of the way for later. With the rest of the hair, I'm going to sweep it over to the left hand side, and then I'm just going to add a few bobby pins going from the nape of the neck upwards. I've used about 5 bobby pins. This is just to keep the hair smoothed over to one side slightly. Taking the rest of the hair, we're going to twist it anti-clockwise whilst bringing it up. And this will help cover those bobby pins. Then secure all the way down the right hand side with as many pins as needed to keep it secure. I've cut up a bun donut and I'm just going to take a couple of sections and make a little rectangle shape, and I'm going to bring the rest of the hair forward, leaving a couple of curls out at the side, and I'm just going to pin that padding just at the top of that twist we've made. This will make the hairstyle appear a little bit more voluminous and also give it a great base to pin into. Now release those side sections down, and leaving a little bit out to frame the face, I'm going to sweep the rest up to the top of that padding and secure with a pin or two. And then just push that hair forward to join the rest. And repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So leave a little bit out to frame the face. Pop the rest over the top of the padding and secure. Next, add some volume powder to the top of that bun, and I'm just going to lightly tease the very roots of it just to give it a little bit more volume and height. Once you've got everything back combed, just flip it back over and smooth out the top with the end of your comb. Then, grabbing about halfway down that ponytail, grab the hair and push it upwards to create more height, and then just secure it to that padding with a few bobby pins. Then we're just going to take pieces of hair from the bottom, twisting them towards the head and bringing it over to the opposite side and pinning to that padding. Let the ends hang loose. And I'm going to do it one more time with the rest of this hair. So just grab a section, twist it towards the head and bring it to the opposite side and secure in place. You can leave as many curls down as you like. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.